guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vicky and I talk about and write about cruelty-free beauty, and today I've got something really cool to share with you guys. So I've got a few new products that I was kindly sent and I really want to share them with you guys. So they are all cruelty-free obviously and vegan, and I'm just going to be putting them on my face today. So if you want to see me use some new products, then continue watching. So basically I have my base on already, so I've got a bit of tint of moisturiser and a little bit of concealer, and that's it. I'm just going to be putting on a few bits from a brand that I was recently sent some products from, so it's called BOHO Green Makeup. So I've got a couple of things from them. So I've got a blusher here in a gorgeous sort of dark mauve sort of shade. So I'm going to be using that today. Just get the little stickers off. So these are all first impressions as well. I haven't used anything from this brand before. I've just received these and I just wanted to test them out for you guys. So this is a highlighter, so I'm going to be using that today as well. So that's a gorgeous, I haven't even touched this yet. Oh wow. Yeah, that's really pretty. If you can see that there. It's really, that's lovely. That's like a really light champagne gold, so I'm going to be trying that today. And I think my favourite thing of this bundle is going to be the eyeshadow palette, because I love the design of it. It's so cool, it's really unique and it's really nice. So it comes in this wooden palette, so it comes off like this. That's the first one. It's all magnetic, they all stick back on, and there's a second layer. So I love that idea, I think it's really cool. And all of these eyeshadows are removable as well, so once you finish a shade, you can replace it and pop it back into the palette. I love that idea. And this one's called the Gypsy palette, the Bohemian Artist Collection. So it's a mix of like bronzes, browns, a bit of purple. It's just a really great neutral palette. And then the last thing I have is a mascara. So this is their Jungle Mascara. Yeah, Jungle Mascara. So this is lengthening mascara. So I'm going to be trying that on as well. I love the packaging, it's really cool. It's all recyclable as well. It's all of these come in recyclable packaging. They're all made out of recyclable materials. So yeah, let's just get this on my face. So obviously first things first, I'm just going to put a bit of blush on and see how we go. So I'm just gonna pop this on. I love the pattern in this, it's so pretty. It's like a little flower. It's really nice. It's one of the ones when you don't want to use, and it's just really pretty. So I'm just gonna, yeah, so it looks really nice. It's quite pigmented actually. That was a tiny little sweep that I had there. And it's obviously, it can be built up as well, so. What I like to do with my blush these days is I like to bring it in here as well. I just think it gives like a little bit of more youthfulness to the skin, a little bit of colour. I think that looks really cute. And if you don't forget, these can be used as eyeshadows as well. I love using blush for eyeshadows. So next I'm just going to pop some of the highlighter on. So I'm just using a little brush. I've got this on Primark, I believe. Okay, I've had it for a while and it's such a good highlighter brush. It's like a really angled, it's great. So I'm just going to try the highlighter now. Let's see how we get along with that. It's definitely giving me some kind of glow. Yeah, that's really nice. This is like a really nice natural glow. You can see me glowy in there. So I'm just gonna put some on my forehead on, because why not? I've got really into using sort of glowy products at the moment. I used to be very matte because I have oily skin, but I have oily combination skin, so I'm usually oily in my T-zone, and my skin seems to be quite dry at the moment, obviously because of the weather. So I've been trying to use more hydrating products. I've been using a lot more hydrating skincare. So I just want my skin to look more plump and dewy. I just think it looks more youthful. So I'm just gonna go in and just do a really quick, simple eye look with you guys. So I'm just gonna go in with this bottom layer, and I'm just gonna go in with this one here. And I might mix it with the white as well, because it's quite dark for a transition shade, but we'll see how we go. So just got my Eri Perez little double-ended brush. Love this brush. So I'm just gonna, quite a lot comes off on the brush, so I'm just gonna try and pop that in my crease. And if you can see that coming up there. So yeah, it's definitely showing up. It's a really nice colour actually. It's like quite a, it's in between cool and warm toned brown. It's nice. It's a really good transition colour. I thought it was going to come out really dark. I'm sure you can build this shade up as well. Use it as like a darker shade on your outer corner. So I think for me that is fine. So I'm just going to run some of that underneath my lower lash line as well. If you hear the cat, he's meowing. He's having one of his funny 5 minutes in the morning. Seems to be whenever like I'm filming or doing something, he's like, hey, pay attention to me. It's just kind of cute, but he's a very needy cat. Anyone else got any needy cats? He gets like almost, you know, jealous if we're not paying him attention. He's a house cat, so I assume it comes with that kind of territory. Bless him, he's at the front door meowing. I think because I've just been to the doctor, I just had another blood test, and because obviously I don't leave the house very often, but I think he thinks that Jack might be coming home. He's probably like a little bit confused. So that is the transition done. I think it looks really pretty. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some shimmer. So I think I'm going to add this shade here. I'm going to try it with a brush first. I'm going to try it with this brush here, which is a Spectrum A13 brush. I love Spectrum brushes. It's some of my favourite brushes around. Oh wow, it's really pigmented. It comes off, it almost feels like wet, like creamy. Oh, so that's really pretty. This is like just a standard bronze colour. I love a bronze look. It's my favourite. It's just so quick and easy to do. It always looks nice, and it just goes with any kind of outfit you want to wear as well. This is really pigmented. This is really nice. It's going on really well with a brush as well, which I find, you know, quite a lot of shimmers struggle with, you know, going on with a brush. You usually have to go in with your finger, which I usually do, but this is going on really well with a brush, which I'm really surprised about. Which is great. That looks really nice. This is a really nice bronze shade as well. That looks really nice, guys. So I think I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna add a little bit of this white shimmery shade. I'm gonna use it on this Furless Cosmetics one. I know it's a little bit big, but so I'm just gonna bring that into my inner corners. I think I might put that on my brow bone as well. I'll just put a little bit at the top there. That looks really nice. I totally use that as a highlighter, to be honest. Does anyone else do that? You know, when you find a nice eyeshadow, use it as a highlighter as well. That highlighter looks really nice now. You can see it just here. It looks lovely. Really pretty. So yeah, that's the eye look. I think that looks really lovely, really pretty. Just everyday natural look, which is what I was wanting. So I'm just gonna go on and pop on the mascara now. So this is the wand. So it's a nice spiky, they're close together spikes, so I assume it's going to be quite separating, which is great. So separating and lengthening, so I'm living for that. Oh wow. You know when you haven't used a mascara before, like a brand or a type of mascara, and you put it on and it's just like boom, lashes. That's really nice, really black as well. So you can see that one there, and there's the one without the mascara, without, so it looks great. This is really nice mascara actually. It smells nice as well. I don't know why I always have to smell mascara, it's a weird thing. And same with like lip glosses and stuff as well, lipsticks. It's nice if they have like a little bit of a scent and they don't just smell all, well this is all natural so it shouldn't be smelling of chemicals, you know. So that is almost it guys. That is the final look using BOHO Cosmetics. So I just want to give a quick rundown on the products, and there isn't actually anything that I disliked. I think everything worked really well. It all looks really pretty, it all performs well. I love the highlighter, it's amazing, really nice. You get a huge amount as well. I mean that is a big pan, and I mean it's filled to the top. That is a lot of highlighter. And how much is in there? So there's 10 grams in there. That is a lot. And this blush is so beautiful, really pretty. I love the shade. It's really natural, gives a really natural flush to the cheeks. And this will be actually really good as a transition shade on your eyes as well. So this is in the shade Bois de Rose. Okay, my pronunciation is awful, but yeah, obviously it's a rose kind of shade. So the eyeshadow palette is amazing. I really rate this eyeshadow palette. I love the way it looks. It's so gorgeous. It's really nice, and the shades in there are just beautiful. You can create some really nice looks in there, like a proper smoky look with a dark purple. I mean, it's great. It's got everything you need. It's like I say, you can get everything from their website, from bohocosmetics.com. And lastly, the mascara. I got it in the shade 01, which is the black shade. This is awesome. Like, I love trying a new mascara and it literally just works. You know, you love it straight away. I think it's great. I love the packaging, I love that it's refillable as well. All of their products are amazing. My final thoughts are, definitely check them out. I will link all of their socials and everything down below. Yeah, let me know if you've tried them before, or if you can recommend any products from them, or if you are going to try them. Let me know what you're going to try, because they have some amazing products. There's many more products, there's more eyeshadow palettes, there's foundations, everything. They got a full range. So if you want me to try any more from this brand, let me know and I can see if I can pick some more up. And yeah, so I am literally glowing and I'm happy about it. I'm ready for my day. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this brand, or any other brands you would like me to try. So I am gonna go and have a coffee, and I will see you in the next one.